Hello students. Now this is very important that we are going to discuss, as we have talked about the disastrous and miraculous in the last video, you must be remembering, right? So how to get that miraculous state of mind, positive state. It has got nothing to do with how well you have prepared, right? Even the best of the students at this point of time start developing some negative thoughts. So how to keep them at bay, right? How to shut them away? That mindset, that positivity, if you ask me, comes from the calmness and containment. If you're calm and contained, automatically you will start feeling positive, right? If you're transparent, if you're truthful, if you're honest with yourself, with your parents, with your teachers, and the whole idea of preparation, that positivity will already be there and will start coming to you automatically, right? So how to get to that state of positivity? If you ask me, then the baby steps that you can take in this last 15 days would be transparent to your parents. Have a clear communication with them. Don't keep them in the dark about your preparation, what is about to happen. Don't give them any false hopes, right? Be truthful to them. Try and confess your mistakes as honestly as possibly that you can, right? Because that will get you rid of that hatred, that uncertainty that is boiling inside you, right? So that is very important. Will calm them. The whole scenario of the home front would be calmed. That will help you get that positivity. Secondly, be truthful and honest to yourself. Don't give yourself any false hopes, right? Don't overburden with any false expectations that you have, because then these things, this emotional turmoils are going to get better of you. Hence, talk to your parents 5 minutes in the morning, 5 minutes in the evening. Talk to your teachers. If there's a teacher which is quite close to you, have a word with him, right? Have a word with him. Try and get rid of this boiling steam of emotional turmoil inside your head, right? Let go of it, right? Then start doing meditation, right? I'm not saying you become a sadhu baba and start practicing some tedious yoga mudras at this point of time. No, it's not about them. If you ask me, it's about 108 deep breaths in the morning, right? Breathe in, breathe out. It helps immensely. 1:3 ratio का inhale और exhale maintain करने की कोशिश करिए, ठीक है जी? If you are inhaling for about, let's say, 2-3 seconds, then exhale for about 8 odd seconds, then do about 108 deep breaths right in the morning and about the same in the evening. It is going to calm your nerves immensely, right? Do that. Have a physical workout if possibly every day for about half an hour. Go for a jog, go for a run, play badminton. Yes, I'm quite serious about this fact. At this point of time also, you should steal away this. Many of you would complain, and many of the parents, with due respect, will start complaining about the fact that why our world is wasting time like this, half an hour in the morning or half an hour in the evening and all. It's not about that. It's about 45 minutes which can help you live the remaining 23 hours and 15 minutes perfect possible way with the best of the efficiency, right? So meditation is very important. Then physical involvement, right? Get sweaty, sweat it out. I say that through sweat, not only the salts go away, all the toxins, negative thoughts also, they also seep away from the body, right? Then you got to be very careful about how much you sleep, right? If you ask me, you got to sleep from 11 p.m. in the night to about 5 a.m. in the morning. You got to, right? Because this is the best time to sleep. Give your brain about 6 hours of rest in the night and about half an hour or 45 minutes of a nap in the morning. Keep yourself in a check, right? This is the mantra of positivity that I'm talking about, right? I will come to the physical part of it in the coming videos also. Then one personal trick of mine, I myself been very close to the God, spiritual in my own ways, that been taught by my teachers and parents. Be close to the God, right? It's not about going to temples and gurdwaras at this point of time and not starting a new activity. It's just that humbly folding your hands 2 minutes in the morning and 2 minutes in the night, when you are actually just confessing all your sins to him, right? All your mistakes to him, and asking him for a simplest of the prayer, that please make me your Arjun and guide me through as Krishna, right? कि आप मेरे जीवन रथ को अब अपने हाथ में लीजिए और चलाइए. So it's about getting this whole positive envelope, a cocoon around you, right? Which can keep all the negativity out, right? I hope these things are going to help you. Thank you so much. So I hope you are enjoying learning the chemistry funda ways, right? Fundamentals in the fun way. So please like, subscribe and share.